cut costs, cut waste, cut to length. Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really focusing on something that can be a genuine breakthrough for manufacturers.
Yeah, we're talking about pressroom equipment's custom cut-to-length solutions. If you work with coiled material, listen up.
This isn't just some minor upgrade. It feels more like a necessary strategic move these days.
And before we dive too deep, let's get the contact info out there. PRE, that's pressroom equipment. They're based in Springfield, Missouri.
Right. And you can reach them at 417-864-3636.
Or just shoot an email to sales@pressroomequipment.com. Easy enough.
Okay, so let's unpack this cut-to-length, or CTL, idea. The basic mission seems simple, right? Stop buying pre-cut metal blanks.
And start turning those huge coils into the precise blanks you need, yourself, in-house.
But doing that reliably, day in and day out,
Yeah.
that takes some serious engineering. PRE isn't selling you something off a shelf.
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
Every single system is custom built. It's
Oh.
tailored specifically for, your production line, your workflow, your space.
And the core of that custom system, the real heart of it, is their feeding technology.
Exactly. It all centers around PRE's own high-precision feeds. You basically got two main options there.
Right.
There's the air feed, super reliable, really straightforward. Or you can go with the servo feed, which is more advanced. Digital controls give you amazing speed and accuracy.
And that choice, the feed mechanism, that's directly linked to how precise the cuts are.
Absolutely. These feeds are mounted right onto heavy-duty shear stations, either commercial or custom ones. And the key takeaway is guaranteed precision accuracy.
Guaranteed how precise?
We're talking cuts with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.005 of an inch.
5,000s. Wow, that's incredibly fine.
It really is. And that level of accuracy, that repeatability, it drives the ROI immediately. Think about the cost savings.
Yeah, let's talk ROI. The sources mentioned a big premium on pre-cut blanks.
Oh, yeah. You're typically paying a 15 to 20% supplier premium when you buy pre-cut.
And that's not just profit for them, right?
Not at all. That premium covers their handling, their storage, their scrap, all things you take control of with CTL.
So bringing CTL in-house cuts that premium right out. You buy coils, usually at better bulk prices.
And because you're cutting exactly what you need, when you need it, your material yield goes way up. Less scrap.
Makes sense. But it's not just cost, is it? There's an agility factor, too.
Huge factor. Think lean manufacturing. Relying on outside suppliers means lead times, fixed schedules.
You're kind of locked in.
Exactly. But with these high-precision programmable feeds, changing the cut length is fast. Like really fast.
So you can run smaller batches or mix things up easily if a customer needs something different quick.
Precisely. You can react almost instantly. No waiting on a supplier.
And that agility, that speed, it must impact the factory floor too. Leaner operations.
Definitely. Instead of managing, dozens of different SKUs for all your blank sizes.
You're just managing a few types of coils.
Right. Think of the floor space you free up. Less capital tied up in all that pre-cut inventory.
And no risk of those cut parts becoming obsolete if a design changes.
Exactly. But, cutting the blank is really only half the battle.
Right. What happens after the shear? You need a complete system.
And PRE designs that whole downstream part too. Often these lines integrate custom punching or notching, maybe special cutoffs, before the part even leaves the line.
So it's more than just cutting.
Much more. And then there's the handling of the finished blank. You can't just have them falling onto the floor.
No, you lose all that efficiency.
So the systems integrate offloading, stacking, often fully automated palletizing solutions.
Meaning the output isn't just loose parts, it's what? Neat stacks ready to go?
Perfect, neat production-ready stacks, all aligned, ready for the next step.
Which could be pressing, stamping operations,
Yeah.
whatever is next in your process.
Yeah, exactly. And that automated palletizing, it cuts down manual labor, improves safety, prevents damage, delivers material perfectly prepped for further manufacturing.
Okay, so let's tie it all together. You've got lower material costs, way less inventory tying up cash and space, reduced labor through automation, and total control over the quality of the cut.
Add all that up, and the ROI case gets pretty compelling. The payback on many of these systems is often within 3 years, sometimes even faster.
3 years. That's quite an investment return.
It really is.
Yeah.
Which brings us to maybe the most important point for anyone listening.
Yeah.
If having total control over your material, the cost, the quality, the workflow gives you a competitive edge, and it does.
Then the real question isn't, can we afford this?
Right. The real question becomes, can you afford not to have this level of control and efficiency?
That's a powerful thought to end on. If you're ready to explore that question for your own operations, you should reach out to Pressroom Equipment. They're part of the Bradbury Group.
And remember, they're located in Springfield, Missouri. Give them a call at 417-864-3636.
That number again is 417-864-3636, or you can email sales@pressroomequipment.com.
Cut costs, cut waste, cut to length.